So the advantages of taking Iodoral is that it's very easy. You know, you just have those capsules. You know exactly how much one capsule has. You do not need to mix it beforehand. You just open the bottle, take one capsule, and you know you have 12.5 milligrams of iodine. Another advantage is that you can take it with you basically anywhere. Since it's not a liquid, you can take it on a plane without problems. You know you're not gonna spill anything anywhere. So that is another advantage. And the third advantage is that this is not gonna irritate your throat, your stomach, or your gut because it's in a capsule. So that protects your body basically. And then it just goes where it needs to go without irritating you. I would say those are the three main advantages of Iodoral. But it also comes with its downsides, of course. First one is that it's harder to customize. With one capsule, you will always get 12.5 milligrams of iodine, but maybe this is way too much for you, and then it gets trickier to go any lower than that. Technically, you can break the capsule and take half of the content on one day and half on the other day. But of course, it's not gonna be as accurate. It's also kind of messy to have to break the capsule and spread the content over more days. So that would be one reason why you would prefer the liquid form. Another issue of Iodoral is that it's much more expensive. I don't know the price right now, but this is gonna cost you much more than the liquid form. Plus you kind of depend just on this brand. You need to order it more often, or you need to order a lot in one go, which would be very expensive. So for economic reasons, many people don't like Iodoral. And another reason why you might not want Iodoral is because you actually get irritated by swallowing capsules. That also happens, which is actually what I have. I prefer the liquid form because I don't get irritated by it. And for me, capsules are always hard to swallow, so I prefer to avoid them. I guess one more advantage of Iodoral is that you don't need as much water as with Lugol's iodine. You just need a little bit to take the capsule and that's it. So I think those are the advantages and disadvantages of Iodoral.